So the tool from the previous short that I made is we made it to polish some parts. A bearing diameter on this specifically, and it worked 100% the way intended. Take a look at this. Little piece of sandpaper in there. How it's tensioned, that is the secret. And usually we'll do this with a little bit of water on to keep that abrasive paper from getting packed up. Boom. That bearing diameter right there is what we had to polish. It was a couple tenths oversized. We didn't have to send it to grind. Parts are good. Mission accomplished.